Healey calling for a bell-to-bell cell phone ban in public schools statewide. This push coincides with a bill introduced by the state's attorney general earlier this year. Western Mass News reporter Addie Patterson joins us live in studio after speaking with a local teacher about the governor's announcement. Addie.
Amanda, according to Governor Healey, the ban aims to make learning distraction-free, but still includes options for parents to contact their children during the school day if needed. Earlier today, I spoke with educators who say their school has already taken steps to keep cell phone usage out of the classroom.
It just comes down to mostly just teaching kids responsibility of their own devices and responsibility of when they can be using their devices and when not to be. And to use their devices responsibly doesn't just mean, when not to use them, but also how to use them.
Governor Maura Healey calling on lawmakers Wednesday to create legislation banning the use of cell phones and electronic devices in public schools throughout the state. Governor Healey releasing a statement saying, in part, restricting cell phone use in our schools will support parents and teachers, protect the mental health of young people, and help our students learn and grow. Western Mass News reached out to the Massachusetts Teachers Association for comment. They tell us they agree with device-free learning in schools and say they support a similar bill introduced back in January by Attorney General Andrea Joy Campbell titled the STEADY Act, which promotes distraction-free education for youth. The MTA calling the STEADY Act a common-sense approach in a statement which goes on to say, cell phones and other devices used for staying connected to social media have proven to be too great a distraction during the school day and are easily turned into tools for creating conflict, all to students' detriment. We wanted to find out what local teachers thought about the proposed bill. One high school teacher in West Springfield tells us cell phones in the classroom is an issue her school has been working to tackle.
Students tend to be distracted easily when they have their devices on them. So when we introduced the Yonder pouches last year, there was a significant decrease in seeing the cell phones in the classroom.
Wilson adding, while these pouches have been helpful, they aren't foolproof and students are still able to break the rules. Wilson says she understands the governor's push, but believes there should be more individual accountability when it comes to student cell phone usage, especially with social media.
These apps are available during the school day. And that's where I see the majority of cyberbullying. That's where I see the majority of violence. There's not enough conversation around what are they actually doing on their cell phones? What are they actually doing when they're not doing their classwork? It's not so much as that they're on it, it's just that they don't know what they're really doing. And the teachers and parents don't either. That's what I worry about.
Governor Healey also stating that this new policy should be developed in close partnership with parents and must provide ways for them to get in touch with their children during the school day. For now, reporting live in studio, Addie Patterson, Western Mass News.
All right, Addie, thank you for that live report. New tonight, a